Welcome to the garage, YouTube. Videos got a little jumbled up, so I'm going to try this recording right straight on YouTube for the first time. All right, so this right here was a mess. This was nothing but pallet wood, essentially. It was framing for freezer doors, and it was given to me, and I got all of that for nothing. All right. That's what's left. I burned a little bit yesterday. That there too. This is from the barn wood. We got that ripped down, and I'll show you that. I'll have to go back inside the house and get the keys. Had the kiln set up here. Had all the barn wood that had the bugs and whatnot in it, and it's got it up to 200 degrees for over 5 hours, I think. Here's my little buddy, propane tank. That's a little bit what's left over the barn wood. That stuff's fine. Just that's also got a little bit from the pallet wood, sawdust there. We're gonna clean this up today and get it all going. Yeah, this over here, this mess, we're gonna get this cleaned up. Got to get a little organized and cleaned up. This looks horrible. So let me go get the keys to the garage, and we'll get started. So back to the kiln. That worked really good. It worked better than what I thought it would. So keys. It didn't, once I got it all sealed up, excuse me, no problems getting it up to temperature. Got all the cracks and everything covered up, all tight in. Turned the little buddy on high, and I would say within a half hour, 45 minutes, it was up to temperature. Now, I've watched videos where they only got it up to 120, and it worked, but they let it cook all day. I didn't quite let it cook all day. Excuse me again. But what I did is I went to Menards and got foil-backed, I'll show it to you, foil-backed foam board. And it looks atrocious because I bought all the damaged stuff. That's just the extra piece. I got the damaged stuff, cut it down to a workable size, and yeah, stuck the heater in there, and it was good, and it worked. And all this wood, just about all this wood down here, there's more down there than what's barn wood, but all that wood I got cleaned up. That's all my barn wood in there. This is a project, but that's barn wood too, and this is barn wood too. Got it all dried, and it was, when I took it out, it had set for a while, and it was still warm, so it got up a temperature. So that's that. So we got the table saw out yesterday, and we cut all this up. That's Venus. We got all this cut up. It's not true dimensions, but it's pallet wood anyway. I can show you. I think this right here would be considered a 1x3, 2.5, 2 1/4. This would be a 1x4, and it's almost 4 inches. This one is a little over 4 inches. 6, 4, almost 4 3/4. So I mean, and then the wide stuff, most of it's done on the bottom. There's 8, but you get the idea. I mean, a lot of the stuff was 1x6 and 1x12, and I got all that out of that garbage, every bit of it. What was next? This right here is the coffee bar. We're going to work on a little bit on that today, but we got to get this taken care of and this taken care of and out of the way. So, and then we're going to work on the coffee bar. And if we don't get to the coffee bar, it's getting worked on all day tomorrow. It's got to be put together by this weekend. And then this is the farm table that we're working on. That's got to be finished too. I want these 2 projects out of here by this weekend. And then we can start working on the grooming tables. So, as you can see, it doesn't take very much to get cluttered up. No place to walk or put anything. So this right here, I'm thinking about getting rid of. Keeping the toolbox, but getting rid of this will give me almost 4 extra feet. Putting drawers, slider drawers in there, and using that, and lifting it, and using that. And then, of course, getting rid of the dressers. Changing this. Downsizing this to a 10 or an 8 inch. And just opening this up. And I think I can use that up there a little bit better. Utilize that better for wood storage. But I got to open this up and I got to stay more organized. That's got to go. I mean, that was for something else and ended up holding wood. But then again, I need wood storage too. I was thinking about getting a couple of big trash cans for my scrap wood stuff. So, and I was also thinking about back here building a wood rack right here. Not nothing huge, but come up, I don't know, about that high. That's about 7 foot, 7.5 foot high. And putting a little roof on it, and then just putting like a lumber rack back here. I don't know. Let me know what you think. So, and I'm going to warn you, there's going to be a crazy name on this. I haven't decided what it is yet, but I was watching a couple videos on clickbait. So, kind of makes sense. So that's the plan for today. Get this cleaned up and get these 2 tables built. This is just kind of an update. I put a couple of videos, and they got cut off. You know, not the whole thing was on each one, and I put them together, and it just looks stupid and whatnot. So, all right, YouTube. So that's the plan. So the garage is looking pretty nasty, cluttered. Worked in. So we're gonna get at it. I'm going to burn some wood. I'm gonna go get a hoodie on because it's kind of chilly out. Fall's getting here, and I'm warning you, YouTube, right now. I'm a hunter, so there's gonna be hunting stuff on here. There's the grill / burn pit. So we're gonna get this fired up and get going. So thanks for watching. Subscribe, share, and like. And let me know what you want to see. If you want me to build something else or whatever. We'll get caught up on these projects and then we'll start something else. All right? So be blessed. Subscribe, share, and like. And comments. Make comments. I want you to see more comments, guys. Come on. And thanks for the 30 subscribers. I'm up to 30. Appreciate it. Talk to you later.